Hi, all. My name is Dr. Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to some of the updates that I've made to my RV Park Business Plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost, going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the RV Park Business Plan template, and I'll share with you all, like I said, some of the updates that I've made for 2025. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into it. As promised, just a little bit about me. Again, Dr. Paul Borosky, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, or any kind of writing for that matter, just make sure to reach out and contact me. Be delighted to help with a business plan or again, any type of writing or research that you may need done. I'm also a business mentor and a business consultant. So if you need some help for business growth, strategic planning, marketing research, and other types of research, again, reach out. Be delighted to assist. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as a subject matter expert for business and finance. So if your business plan is ready to go, but those pesky financial projections are kind of tripping you up, again, reach out to me. Be delighted to help for financial projections as well. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and dive right into our star of the show. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about some of the updates that I've made to my RV park business plan template for 2025. So the first thing you're going to do is once you do purchase the template and open it up, you're going to be greeted with this title page. This title page has been the same for a couple years now. It's nice, clean, straight to the point. To get to the updates, we're going to scroll through that. Here's the table of contents. No changes were made to that. Executive summary, I kept this the same as well. Any highlighted yellow areas, that's where I recommend y'all change. But again, this is an editable document, so feel free to update as needed. But the first update we're going to come to is going to be in the company description section. So we'll zip through this right here. And we're going to go ahead and go to the business objectives and timeline. So there's really when you're doing your strategic planning or you're planning in general for a business, you're going to have a business plan and a strategic plan. Usually, you want to go ahead and keep those documents separate. But if you really want to step it up a notch, you can intertwine or you can go ahead and include a summarized version of your strategic plan in your business plan. And so that's what I do for my templates is I've included a business objective and timeline. And for this year, I've not only included it, but I've spruced it up a little bit by using artificial intelligence, ChatGPT. Asked it to go ahead and take it up to the next level. And in my opinion, that's definitely what it did. So the first change or update that I made to the RV business plan template is that I've added more details to the business objectives and timeline, which is really a snippet of a strategic plan, just telling the reader, what you want to accomplish in the next 3 months, 6 months, and a year. The next or the second area that I've updated was the industry analysis. As we all know, if you're going to write a business plan, you definitely want to have the most up to date industry information possible. And that's what I've done. I've accessed my IBIS World account, pulled up the campgrounds and RV park industry research, and extrapolated some information from there, summarized it, and now we have an up to date industry research for the RV park industry. And the final segment that I've updated is going to be past the SWOT analysis. So it does come with a SWOT analysis. Your organizational structure information stays the same. But once we get to the marketing section, this is where I've added some more details as well. So the third change that I've made to the RV Park Business Plan template is I've added a networking section to the marketing. So typically I had the traditional internet and social media marketing segments for you to build upon. I've now added a fourth segment of networking. So if you just want to keep the basic information, just change this information right here, put your company name. But what I recommend is just use this as a foundation and expand upon the structure that I've already given you. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So, in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the business plan template does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. The Word document is in Microsoft Word, and the financial model is in Excel. So you do need to have both soft pieces of software in order to use them. I also include some business plan tutorials. So if you're interested in some tutorials, these are done by myself, and just go to this link right here. There are some limitations to my business plan templates. It's not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products like Pages. Now, if you have an Apple machine, if you have a Mac, and you have Office 365, I've heard some good things about that. But other than that, just keep that in mind that it's not compatible with Apple products. And then finally, I do not offer free phone support. I'll make sure that you get the template, it's downloaded. But if you want some tutorial, you want some training, check out this link right here. Or I do offer custom training, one-on-one, but there is a fee for that. And then finally, if you do want to purchase a business plan template, visit this link right here. And to wrap it up, if you are interested in custom business plans, if you're interested in business consulting or financial projections, just visit my website. I've got prices for my services at this link right here. Hopefully this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and have a phenomenal day.